Hello everyone, today we are diving into the details of Lakshmi Charity Scholarship. A great initiative by Lakshmi Charities aimed at providing a financial assistance to the students who are facing the financial challenges to continue with their higher education. Stay tuned with us to explore the details how it is going to be a gateway for your educational career. Before moving further, hit the like button of this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. That really motivates us to create more number of videos related to scholarship. Lakshmi Charities organization is committed of making quality education accessible for the students who are financially disadvantaged. The Lakshmi Charity Scholarship is a way of empowering deserving students to fulfill their educational dreams. The scholarship provides a financial assistance to eligible students. While the amounts are not specified, but the aim is to provide a financial support to the students to continue with their education. To be eligible for this scholarship, applicants' family annual income should not exceed more than 8 lakhs rupees. Preference will be given to the students with low family income and high in academic performance. The applicant must be resident of Tamil Nadu and applicant must have secured minimum of 75% in previous academics. It's mandatory for all the students to provide the necessary documents as a part of application process. These may include previous year mark sheet, bank statement, income certificate, address proof, ID proof, Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, mobile number, email ID and parent salary proof. After gathering all the necessary documents, hit the link given in the description box and you'll be redirected to a registration page where you need to fill out the details like a student particular like first name, last name, marks you have secured, date of birth, gender and further details. Along with that, please fill out the details about the parent or the guardian like name, occupation, Aadhaar number, PAN number. And fill out the details about the student's bank account particulars like bank name, account number, IFSC code and etc. Then enter the CAPTCHA which is appearing on your screen and click on the register button. Once you're done with the registration, then you need to log into the application to provide the further details with your email ID and date of birth as the password and enter the CAPTCHA and click onto the login button. Then you need to provide the further details about your course you're pursuing like the institution name, course name, year of course and the tuition fees and the applied course date. Enter the CAPTCHA and take the printout of the same page. Then one more application you need to fill out the details like it is for the office use. Make sure that download the application and fill out the details. Once you have given all the information, then click on save and print. Please double check all the information which have been provided are correct or not. Then you need to get it signed from your parent or the guardian and your signature, and the most important is you have to get the sign and seal from your institution, then post it to the respective address which is mentioned in the right corner of the top box. Lakshmi Charity Scholarship is here to help you. If you meet the eligibility criteria, then gather all the documents, take a step towards your brighter future. Remember, education is the key to success. Apply today and let's help each and every student possible by sharing this video. Signing off, take care until next time.